Want your Steam profile to stand out in the lobby? Here's your ultimate guide to fast customization. First up, hit Edit Profile on your Steam page. This is your control panel for all things profile. Start with the basics. Update your display name and upload a cool avatar. Try something at least 184 x 184 pixels for a crisp look. Next, check your Steam level. Every 10 levels unlocks a new showcase, so collect badges and trading cards to climb up. Now let's hit the points shop. Spend your Steam points on animated avatars, profile backgrounds, or even more showcase slots. Pro tip: animated backgrounds and frames totally pop. Time to set up your showcases. Pick your favorite: artwork, achievements, screenshots, or a custom info box. Show off your rarest moments or flex your art with a seamless design. Want to go pro? Use artwork templates from the Steam community and upload custom art with the browser console trick. Don't worry, there's tons of tutorials online for this. That's it. Your profile's now as unique as your playstyle. Go ahead, show it off and get those friend requests rolling.